I'd like to start our workshop, with just an explanation of what happens when we breathe. And as you know, there is this axiom, this central tenet that we have of breathing, which is everything is based on the exhalation. The inhalation is a reflex. So it's worthwhile, I think, just to sit with that for a second. And what does that mean to you? I mean, the inhalation is a reflex. Everything is based on the exhale. What happens when we're born? Well, the very thing that happens when we're born is we exhale, right? We all have those wonderful images of the doctor sort of hitting the bottom of the baby, and there comes out this huge cry, and that sets breathing in motion. This brilliant, involuntary, rhythmic breath. Exhalation, inhalation, exhalation, inhalation. And what about this amazing cry of the baby? Have you ever heard anything so loud? Tiny little baby. And how about the length? Hours. Hours of crying. Ever stopping to need to take a breath? Doesn't seem so, does it? Right? But why is it so incredible? And why is it just filled with urgency? It's because that coordination, that baby's coordination, is so perfectly in sync that that sound is just huge. And as I just said, filled with need, filled with urgency. Now that exquisite timing we begin to lose as we go on through life. And that's what this class is about, is to begin to regain this quality of coordination in breathing. I have a student who, her baby is 6 months old, and she knows I love this. She'll call and she will leave a message. She'll say, "Jean, it's very early. It's very early." And then I'll hear Sierra in the background just crying and cooing and making sounds. And I love it so much because it's filled with so much incredible nuance. She's 6 months old. So that is what's possible.